In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Draw Me Discord server. It's actually really simple. You're going to want to go to the game within Roblox. As you can see, it's right here. We'll click on it and you're going to scroll down and you'll see the Discord button. We're going to click on it, then you're going to click on continue, and the link will be in the description if this button does not show up for you. As you can see, here it is right there, and you're going to click accept. And once you join, you're going to be brought to this page. You're going to get asked if you're an artist, but we can skip this. Then you can get pinged for game events, regular events, or mini announcements. But we're just going to click finish. And after that, you're going to see that you were just welcomed in the server. You're going to get a DM from BloxLink to verify. And over in the server, you're going to gain access to this verify chat. And in here, you're going to have to do /verify, which will give you the link to go to the website, verify your Roblox account with your Discord account to gain full access to the server. That's how it works. It's that easy. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.